Good morning, everyone. This is Wendy from Stamping with Wendy A. Today I just wanted to show you one of the new stamp sets and dies from the mini catalogue. So this is the mini catalogue. It goes live on the 3rd of August, so you'll be able to buy this gorgeous set from the 3rd of August. It's called Nature's Harvest. These are the stamps, and it comes with matching dies. So these are the dies that you get with it. So that's what I'm going to use today. All right, I've already pre-prepared some of the bits and pieces, so I don't bore you too much. I've got my stamp out ready on the block, and I'm going to use StazOn ink for the first part, because I'm going to use my one of my water brushes. These come in a set of 3 with 3 different size brush ends, so I'm going to use the narrowest. So get started straight away. So StazOn is it's not water based, so that means that you can use your water brushes with it. If I was going to use the blends, I would use the Memento ink. You just have to think about which inks match with which pens or painters. Okay, so I've stamped my image, and I'm going to use these 3 colours to colour it in. So I've got the Sahara Hat Sand Old Olive. Now I'm using Hello Honey because that is the colour ink that I've got. But I will put a colour that Hello Honey isn't available anymore. So in the description below, I will put a colour that that is available, that is very, very similar. Okay, so I've pressed my ink pad already. You can't do that with the new ink pads because they seem to be a little bit, the cases just seem to be a little bit sturdier. So what you can do with those is you can just use a little block and just pop some ink on a block like this. Okay. Just trying to get the right colour. Just colouring this in with my Old Olive. Just trying not to get too much water on the card. Okay, so that is the green. So we'll use a little bit of the yellow. So I think the matching, or not matching, but the similar colour to this that is available, I think it's called crushed curry, but I will As I say, I will put that in the description box for you. So just using a little bit of the Sahara sand. I just do my colouring in very loosely. I don't tend to worry about having it perfect. I don't think it really matters if it's not coloured in perfectly. Oops. In saying that, I've just gone very out of the lines there. Anyway, never mind. Okay, so I'll just have a little, oops, get a little bit of kitchen towel and just soak up a little bit of that water that I've just got there. Okay, all right, I'm going to put that aside to dry, and I'll move on with a few other bits. Okay, so what I've done here, I have cut, this is thick basic white cardstock, so I've just cut an A4 sheet in half and folded in half again to be my card base. I've cut a bit of Sahara sand cardstock. It's just 6 mils smaller, which gives you a 3 mil border. And then this is the this is some designer series paper. I will pop this in the description box below, and this is in the basic grey colour, and again 6 mils smaller. So I will stick the DSP sometimes the end of my glue gets a little bit blocked, and you've got to work the glue down as well. Down to the nib so it comes out easily. Good idea to store them upside down as well, so you don't have that problem. I should remember my own advice. All right, so what I've got now is I've got some of the gorgeous lace ribbon that's available in the new mini catalogue. So it's called Diamond Weave Ribbon. So it's absolutely beautiful. And I pop that along the bottom there and just wrap it around the sides. So just use a bit of my tape to hold it in place. So what I'll do is I'll just get this, best if I stick one side down first. Okay, and I'm just lining this up by eye. I don't tend to measure things a great deal. Perhaps I should have. That's not quite perfect. There we go, beautiful. Okay, so next I've got these gorgeous die cuts ready to go. This is the old olive, and this is the crushed curry, or the Hello Honey. That's very similar to the crushed curry. I'll just pop a little bit of the liquid glue on these, just in a few little areas. Okay, and I'm going to slip it behind the ribbon. Just hold that down for a minute till the glue sticks. Lovely. And again with this die cut, pop some glue on. Okay. And that's going to go behind the ribbon as well. All right, bring back in my stamped image, and I'm going to cut that out with my mini cut and emboss machine. Just get the corresponding die. Okay. And just line it up. Well, that may have moved just a tad. You can use a little bit of washi tape to hold these down. But I just tend to wing it a bit. And most of the time I don't have any problems. It's just the odd time I might knock it as I put the top plate down. Okay. Okay, so that's ready to be stuck onto the card, and I'm going to stick that on with dimensionals. What I might do first is, it doesn't matter what order I do it in, I'll stick the base onto the card afterwards. Just pop a few dimensionals around. Just taking that one off. I don't want it to stick over the ribbon. Okay. Okay, stick this down. And the last thing I'm going to do is pop the sentiment on. I'll pop that up with some dimensionals as well. The second last thing, because I'll put a couple of little embellishments on as well. It's just a thank you. So that was in the same stamp set, the thank you there, and I use this this die cut here to cut it out. And a couple of little embellishments. So what have I got here? Elegant faceted gems. There's the opening end. It's here. Just got to decide what gems I want to put on. I might just go with the white ones. Oh gosh, started doing a different colour. Actually, that colour looked all right too. There we go. Put these back on there. Good job I hadn't pressed them down so hard. Okay. That is that little card all finished. I just remembered I didn't stick my card onto the base. Oh, I'm having a shocker this morning. Oh dear. So yeah, I'm back. Oh, what a deal. Anyway, sticking it on with dimensionals. And here we go. Finish it off properly. Yeah, that's better. Oh gosh. There you go. That looks a bit better. All right. All right. I'm going to say goodbye again. All right. Have a fabulous day. Bye, everyone.